So we are starting out on Stony Creek. We just got on the trail. It's about 8:53. This is the first time riding this on our new e-bikes, so we're going to see if we can do the whole trail today. So we begin. Wasn't accurate, so I'm not sure how many this is. It's showing like 17, but I think this is closer to 18 or 19. But regardless, here's the end. Little parking lot in Lebanon. Made it thanks to good weather and the e-bike.